Bank of America Home Loan is the mortgage unit of Bank of America. In 2008, Bank of America purchased the filling countrywide financial for $4.1 billion. In 2006, countrywide financed 20% of all mortgages in the United States at a value of about 3.5% of United States GDP. Proportion guarded greater than any other single mortgage leader. Business Bank of America Home Loan is composed of mortgage banking, capital mortgage, global operation. Mortgage banking. The mortgage banking segment product mortgage loan through a variety of channels on a national scale. Nearly all of the mortgage loans the company product in this segment are sold into the secondary market, mainly in the form of mortgage backed sectors. In 2006, 40% of those mortgages were conversional non-conforming loan are too large of sale to finance phenomena. The company generally perform the ongoing servicing function related of the mortgage loan that is produced. It also provide various loan closing service. The real of loan product is the urgent of found new loans and the acquire already founded loans through purchase from the other leader. Production products mortgage loan through for division for countrywide home loans. Consumer market full spectrum lending leading for home sale service. Consumer marketers are full spectrum leading from often bank directly to consumer. Lends product by these two related device to real device are organism.